Hey Dermstore followers, my name's Sophia and I'm the social media strategist here at Dermstore.
And I'm Gabby and I'm the associate brand manager here.
So we're here today to talk to you a little bit about some gifts for him. Whether you're looking for an idea to gift your teenage son,
Or your husband,
uncle maybe,
your next door neighbor perhaps.
I don't know, milkman if he deserves it, whoever's out there that you want to give a gift to, we've got you covered.
Today we're going to start off with the Jack of All Trades by Jack Black. It's a kit that pretty much has everything that a man would need to take care of himself. It's $49 with a $72 value,
And this is actually really great for anyone who might be suffering from acne or oily skin because it contains witch hazel and charcoal. So, it helps to detoxify, it helps to kind of balance your sebum, any oil production. So if he's not really used to, taking care of his skin, this is a really great introductory starter kit for any type of skincare. It also has shampoo, it has body wash, it covers all the bases. It is the Jack of all trades.
next we have the Essential Traveler's Kit by Anthony. It's a $56 price point with a $70 value.
So this kit is actually wonderful for if he's suffering from ingrown hairs or milia or anything because it contains this ingredient called glycolic acid, which is a wonderful chemical exfoliant, super gentle on the skin, but also extremely active. If he's on the go a lot, don't let himself go. This kit is totally gonna help him keep his face looking great.
Last, we're gonna get into this one kit that's probably one of the best values. It's V76 by Vaughn. It's $31 and a $57 value. It has 6 pieces, which is awesome, and a great value just for anyone.
So what's really cool about this kit is it doesn't really just cover skincare. Like it does have body wash and shaving cream like most of the men's kits do, but this also has some hairstyling kits. It has a clay wax that's really great for if he needs a little bit of texture or volume. No more limp hair, we don't want that. We want something with a little bit of effort, but it doesn't actually take that much effort. It just looks like he did. So this is an awesome kit for that. The sizes aren't very big, so it's not that intimidating. It's super digestible for someone who's not really that comfortable with the world of skincare. This is like a subtle way to be like, here, start caring a little bit. It's so easy. Thank you so much for listening to our holiday gift guide for him. If you're feeling uninspired and don't want to just get him another tie,
Or football,
hammer,
lawnmower, whatever it may be,
we've got you covered. Happy holidays.
Bye.